Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back to another edition of Crush Lusher Television. Alright, so we got a few more things with circles to do. Alright, so today, special segments in a circle. So, segments intersecting inside a circle. So, pause the video, write this stuff down. If two chords intersect a circle, so here's a chord, boom, doesn't go through the center. And this other chord, bam, A and B, that's another chord. If they intersect, the products of the measures of the chords are equal. So that means you need to multiply them together. So A times B equals C times D. It's funny how that works. Okay, pause the video, copy that down if you need. Your notes should look like mine. Bam. And here's mine. There's my notes. So we know that A times B equals C times D. Boom. Circle, star, highlight that. These are the two chords. Got it. All right. So now, example 1. Find X. So it's the same thing here. Boom. So the same thing. Pause the video. Draw that. Draw that. All right. So you'll find X in this picture. Find that distance. All right. No problem. Boom. Okay. So you see I have two chords, one chord and two chords. They intersect. So that means that this part, 3, times the second part of the chord, 8, is going to be this chord here. So it's going to be 6 times B to C would be X. Easy. So 3 times 8 is 24. This is 6X divided by 6. 6 times what is 24? That would be 4. So X is 4 in this picture. Easy, got it. Alright, so now let's do some practice problems. Cool. Alright, so I want you to copy these down. Copy these down. We're going to do the first 4 together, alright? And the rest, you're on your own. Alright. Copy. Cool. Alright, here it is. Practice number 1. Pause the video, see if you can do this. Ooh, all right, let's see if you got it. So this is 3 times 6 equals 2 times X. So 18 equals 2X. 2 times what is 18? That would be 9. Got it. All right, so this part right there is 9. All right, this one a little more challenging. Practice number 2. Okay, so we have this part here, which is a radius is 10. And we have X and X are right angled, then we have 2 up here. Okay, what is X? That's what we have to find out. Okay, so I know that if this is 10 here, then this radius is also 10, isn't it? But this is 2, so this is going to have to be 8, because 8 plus 2 is 10, and all radii are congruent. So 8 plus 2 is 10. All right, so now I have my two parts. So this part is 10 plus 8, so this part is 18 times the small little part, which is 2. And this was going to be X times X. It's X times X. So 18 times 2 is 36. 36. X times X is X squared. What number times itself is 36? Or you can square root both sides because that's the opposite of square, so that would be, 6. Negative 6 is also an answer. Negative 6 squared also equals 36, but you're not going to have negative distance, so that don't work. So the answer is 6 here. Cool. All right, 2 more. Boom. Oh, run out of room in my notebook. I got to go to my next section. Nice. All right, 3 and 4. Here they go. Look like this. Pause the video, see if you can do 3 and 4. Go. All right, let's see what we got. 8 times 8 equals 6 times X. So that would be 6 to 4 equals 6 times X divided by 6. 64 divided by 6 is 10 and 2/3, or 10 and 6/10 repeating, you could say. Both of those are acceptable, equals X. Cool. Next one. 4. Did you get it? Let's see. Did you get this one? Boom. Put a big check on your paper if you got it. This one. We got X and X plus 7. So X times, parentheses, X times 7 equals This is 3 and 6. Is that correct? It's 3. I can't read my handwriting. I gotta go back and look. Sometimes that happens. 3 and 6. Yeah, I was right. 3 and 6. 3 times 6. So what is this? So this is gonna be x squared plus 7x equals 18. All right. See if we can get it. I don't know. So this is like a quadratic. What if I subtracted 18 on both sides? X squared plus 7x minus 18 equals 0. Yeah, quadratic. So when I say quadratic, I have it equal to 0. So now I'm going to factor this. What adds to 7 and multiplies to negative 18? What adds to this and multiplies to this? That would be, I need a positive and negative, so that would be positive 9 and negative 2. Because 9 plus negative 2 is 7, and 9 times negative 2 is negative 18. Cool. X plus 9, x minus 2 equals 0. So, 0 product property, what plus 9 is 0? That would be negative 9. Negative 9 plus 9 is 0. And then now, what minus 2 is 0? That would be 2. All right, what's the acceptable answer? What can x be? Well, x cannot be a negative number, so if I plug in negative 9 here, that don't work. Because I'm going to have negative distance, that doesn't work. So the answer has to be not this, but yeah, 2. Got it. Check. All right, hopefully you got those. Nice job. If not, just look it over again and watch the video. So now you got 5, 6, 7, 8 answers are attached on the PDF. Good work, everybody. Keep going. Now I got the exit quiz at the end.